In this video, we will discuss post-harvest contact surfaces, risks associated with these surfaces, and how to make sure they are adequately clean. A post-harvest contact surface is any surface that is known to or has the possibility of coming into contact with the harvested portion of the crop. These surfaces are important because produce can be susceptible to microbiological hazards. Dirty contact surfaces can contaminate the produce and make people sick. Symptoms of this type of illness include vomiting, diarrhea, and fever. People have even died from contaminated produce. Cross-contamination is the reason we must make sure that surfaces are cleaned appropriately. If not cleaned appropriately, all produce can become contaminated in a simple step, such as using a harvesting container that has not been adequately cleaned. Here are some examples of post-harvest contact surfaces. These could include, but are not limited to, knives, aprons, gloves, and tractor implements. Once the produce is harvested, whatever it is transported in or held in would also be considered a post-harvest contact surface. Tabletops where containers of produce are placed or where sorting may occur would also pose a risk if not cleaned. Any other general equipment that has the potential of coming into contact with the produce may also fall under the definition of post-harvest surfaces. All of the surfaces must be cleaned appropriately in a manner that is applicable to your farm and its practices. The specific cleaning protocol will depend on the surface, its design and purpose, and the produce that will be coming into contact with it.